Hello everybody and welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Some of you may know me already. My name is Ripley Sartain, and if you don't know me and this is your first time tuning into the channel, I want to say thank you so much. Be sure you subscribe, hit that bell button so you're notified every time we're making a new video and so you can stay engaged in the community. After hitting 9,000 subscribers, I decided to release a 5-part giveaway series in which I will be giving away succulents each time. So we're going to do this every time I get another 200 subscribers up until the point where we hit 10,000. I'm really excited for this last push to 10,000 subscribers because it's something that we've been working very hard for over the last couple of years, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. So I want to say thank you so much to everybody. You guys are the best. Do as you guys always do, just comment down in the section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you enjoy the channel, it's greatly appreciated. And if you would want to, please share this video. It's going to help us get around to the people who might be missing out on all the great content that we have to offer here. Stay tuned, comment down below, and get engaged so you have your chance to win.